Hello and welcome to another edition of Breaking Barriers. In today's episode, I will discuss how to measure and assess your organization's culture. As we discussed in the last episode, organizational culture is the set of values, beliefs, and practices that characterizes an organization. And measuring and assessing your organizational culture is a critical step in understanding the values, beliefs, and behavior that defines your organization. By assessing your culture, you can identify strengths and weaknesses, develop strategies to improve your culture. Why? So you can create more productive and positive work environment. So how do you get started? The first step in measuring and assessing your culture is to define it. This involves identifying the core values, beliefs, and behaviors that you want your workplace to be known for. So how do you start? Start by looking at your vision and mission statement. Values and principles that lay foundation for your organization. Conduct interviews with your critical stakeholders. Bring them into focus group sessions. Results of these activities will help you create a baseline and identify gaps and areas for improvement. So step number 2 is to identify key metrics. So once you have defined your culture, you can identify key metrics to measure it. They may include metrics like your employee engagement, turnover rates, absenteeism, and customer satisfaction. All these things indicate your organizational culture. So one of the most effective way to measure and assess your organization's culture is through surveys. Why? Surveys allow you to collect data from large number of individuals, which will help you correctly identify trends and patterns in your culture. You can use surveys to assess employee engagement, identify areas of concerns, and develop strategies to improve your culture. Once you have collected data from surveys and other sources, the next step is to analyze it. Understand the trends and patterns. This will help you understand the strengths and weaknesses of your culture and areas for improvement. You can use tools such as data visualization software to help analyze and identify these trends. Based on your analysis of your culture, you will be able to put together an action plan. This may involve new policies and procedures, new training programs for your employees, or creating a new mission and vision statement. Your action plan needs to be specific, measurable, and achievable, and should be developed in consultation with your employees. Finally, it is important to measure your progress in improving your culture. This may involve regular surveys, analysis of data, and reviewing progress against the baseline that you have set. By monitoring your progress, you can identify areas where improvements are still needed, and hence you can adjust your plan accordingly. In conclusion, measuring and assessing your organization's culture is a critical step in creating a positive and productive work environment. By defining your culture, identifying key metrics, conducting surveys, analyzing your data points, creating an actionable plan, and monitoring your progress, you can improve your culture and create a more successful and sustainable organization. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. I would love to hear from you and answer any questions you may have. You can reach me at cjdevgan.com. If you enjoyed this episode, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's go out and break barriers and generate new possibilities. Until next time, adios, ciao, and goodbye.